run.
Like controller, yeah, like controller, yeah. I'll tell you I get when I get aggressive.
It's finished. We need to restock. This is finished. Good morning, guys. And let's prepare going to my park run together. Just I need to wash my face and eat my cereals. I didn't eat yesterday and I only ate that cake or that bread. So I'm just gonna eat my cereals. Oh yeah. And then I go. I'm not sure if I'll be going in the car or with an Uber. But because Luna is still sleeping, so I might go with the car, I might go with an Uber. I don't know. But you guys know that I don't really vlog while I'm driving, so for my safety. So yeah, let's wash. For my safety, for my safety. It's a bit cloudy, but I'll be putting every sun. It's almost finished. I need to restock. So yeah, you just never know. You just never know the weather, how it might turn out. So I've been planning to go out with my friend. My tertiary school or college friend, Liz, but she's not serious. Last time we both kept quiet. I think last week I was like, go, remember we need to go out. And then she's like, yeah, I forgot to schedule. We'll see, let's try this week, which is this Saturday. So I'm not going to remind her son. Plus it's a busy week as well. It's Black Friday, so let me leave it. The sun is coming out a little bit. Let me eat and go. I'll show you what I'm wearing. So my shoes is what I'll be wearing. Oh, something bad happened. I'm seeing a very few people. I think today, the whole purpose of a park run, it was actually running, not walking. Because people are running. Like there. And here I am. And we are so few. Very, very few. And it's men today. I'm seeing few ladies. They are walking very fast. I didn't want to take you guys with me to the park run. Something bad happened. But because I'm a child of God, I'm not worried. I'm not stressed. And the devil is trying to bring me down. But I shall not be made angry, especially in the morning. Yeah. I'm done, guys. Yo, I will say that the neighborhood that I stay, Kalama Posh, it's a posh neighborhood. It's a posh Ferrari. Yeah. But yeah. Face.
Her happy girl era. She's in her happy girl era. She's taking care of herself, prioritizing her needs, working towards her dream.
You have to start romanticizing your life. You have to start thinking of yourself as the main character. Because if you don't, life will get...
It smells like fish. Does that fish smell?
Continue to pass you by. You have to...
She's in her...
The happiest people romanticize.
If you want to start living the
Okay, romanticize.
Busy. You look nice.
No.
56. 12 to 17 is big. 9 to 14 kg is 300. How many are inside? It's overwhelming. Oh, gaga. Kupugile. This is 2.2. It's not time to play with the ball now.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away. My love. So don't give away. My love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Oh, hi.
My love. So don't give away. My love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
You're walking. Yo, hi, son. The salon is open, my sister. Is it Amira Kids? Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Matcha, and Max is my son. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining and tuning this growing loving family. And I hope you like it and stay by clicking the subscribe button. And to my returning subscribers, my day ones, my besties, thank you so much for coming back to yet another vlog. I see you in the love in the comment section. Please continue to liking, sharing, commenting, and maybe you might be watching but you actually haven't subscribed. Please double check and subscribe. So today's Sunday, came back from church. I wanted to do OOTD off today, church OOTD. So yeah, today we're gonna be doing church OOTD. I couldn't do it in the morning because we left very fast. So anyway, without wasting much of our time, let's do church OOTD. So the top is from Mr. Price, skirt, Mr. Price. The shoes, I don't know if you guys can actually see, but yeah, they are the shoes. Mr. Price. The bangles, took this from my mom years back, and I'm wearing those earrings from Mr. Price, and yeah, that's about it. Yeah, so yeah, that's a church OOTD. The vlog, I've officially opened the vlog here. So yesterday I went to Makro. It was bad. Went around 12. The queue was starting from here to where, but it was moving fast. And then I went to Jopoket. They have sale, but yeah, on bags didn't have sales. I didn't see the sale, but I saw on clothes. Then we came back. Then we went to buy meat, and then we went to buy a few things in Woolies. And then we came back. I had baggage. Was it baggage or baggage? Yeah, it was bad. After, I think it was because I took a walk. It's not because of that, because even now I can still feel it a little bit because I got prayed for. So I'm having faith that the pain will go. So yeah, we don't want to make You don't want to excite the devil. I have faith that the pain is gonna go. Today again I saw someone who's like, I only see you on TikTok. I don't see your church. I'm like, go. Don't judge. You don't know. You don't know that if I'm not there, I'm actually doing something. Things of God. I'm actually reading the word of God. So girl, if you're gonna watch this vlog, if you don't see me at church, I would have covered everything that you are doing there at home. So relax. I'm not offended. No, I'm actually laughing about it like I'm a good girl. But yeah, I'm not offended. We no longer that if people look good, I don't get offended anymore. So yeah. Let's do feed of the day. Let's see where the vlog goes. Let's see where the vlog goes. There's also what you call vlogmas. I hope I have content, because if I don't have, it will skip me. This Vlogtober I tried 4 episodes. The 5th one I just made it a normal vlog. I'm not used to wearing earrings. They are very itchy. I want to take them out. Especially here. I have one here, but I want to take out this one. So yeah, this is an outfit of the day. Top Mr. Price. That day I was the clothes we bought. I shot content the whole time when I was sleeping. So everything went well. I just need to edit and start posting on my TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. I've been pushing YouTube more than Instagram and TikTok. So yeah, I wanna be back. All the socials. Yeah, so let me take pictures before everyone wakes up. I'll see you guys today's Sunday. I'll see you Roma next week. We didn't get anything for Black Friday because we never buy anything even when it's Black Friday. Come to think of it. But last year I bought an air fryer. This year, I'm still deciding, but there's not much of Black Friday. Yeah, so yeah.
Yo.
What's this? What's this? Liver. Yaiba. Yaiba. So this is liver, pork, beef, chicken.
Easiest Matcha.
Yesterday I went for my walk. So obviously I go for my walks almost every Saturdays, but I last went last month, few weeks back. Excuse the noise, Luna is playing, so I cannot shush her, she's playing, so I have to talk. I went and then I missed Luna. I missed a few weeks. So yesterday, I was very intentional. I cleaned at night. I woke up, everyone was sleeping, and then I went. Don't do that. Your toddlers are boring. So I went, and then we came back. The line in Makro. So I thought my package is caused because of walking. Because when I came back, so I thought the package is because of the walk. So came back, I passed, we went to Woodmead. Though the line was bad, but the moment you already left here, I already had package. Fine. We stood in the line, we came back. Yo, it was bad. By the time we came this side, I couldn't walk. Even now, I can't bend. And mind you, I don't know what's the cause of it. So I drank the pills. Yesterday, I was fine. Woke up today, went to church. It's starting. Got prayed for, it disappeared. I get home, it starts. So now I'm sitting down, watching vlogs, catching up on vlogs. I'm watching Zalama. I usually watch it during the week, but it's like, let me just watch it because I have nothing I can do. So when I do a braai, so I've defrosted the meat. I wanted to marinate it, but I'm not okay. So I'll sit down and monitor it. Because, it's bad. When I say bad, I can't kneel. If I bend, I feel like it'll go. It's here. That the beginning of your package, just after your waist, top of the waist, it's bad. So you're right, but it's a chilled Sunday. Went to church, had a good time, praise and worship, and I got my Bible back. I got it back. It's in the bedroom. I can't get up. My bag, but I got my Bible. I got it from Yolanda, Ma'am Sambiri. I got it from her. The elder from church gave her. And then last week I didn't go. And then today she came with it. Thank God I have it back. But I'm almost done. I'm left with just a few pages. That's actually reminding me that today I haven't done the task. I have to actually read. I think I'll do that. I'll read for today and tomorrow. I usually cover, if I'm going to read for today, I'll cover also for tomorrow. See? And maintenance is due now. I love gel because I clean a lot. So if it's those acrylic, they end up coming out by hitting myself. Like every time I'm cleaning, I go. I touch a little of water, but these are so strong. So I'll see. I'll see maybe next week because I didn't do the month and I did them around 7, 8. So I'll go around December, the first week or second week of December because they're so fine. These are my natural nails. They're actually growing. So I took a few contents. I have a lot of content, but I'm not even posting. Eva. Eva. People don't watch my YouTube or people don't follow me, you're missing out. I mean, I give good content. It's just that people choose who they want to watch vlogs and who they want to follow and who pictures they want to like. Mina, so I used this iPhone 16, this one that I'm shooting with, to take the reel and then pictures. I also took with this one, so I just airdropped myself one. Can you see? So far, it's the only one that I airdropped. Yaiva. Simplicity, it's at its best. Can you see? It's giving real housewives, corporate wives of Midrand. It was hectic. I didn't even get anything for Black Friday, man. Nothing. Because we never buy. Like I was saying earlier, Black Friday, there's no Black Friday. This is me, I was tired. It's overwhelming. I couldn't even vlog. Because, guys, I want to do also a review about matcha. This matcha that I ate from, is it Vitai? Yeah, I mean, I'm not a coffee person, so obviously I'm not gonna know. But where is this is it from? Yes, Vida E Cafe, this one. this matcha. The best so far. I've only had this one. They added honey. I don't eat sugar, but it didn't. Then I ate drink yesterday from Woolies. It has that aftertaste of fish. You know those preg mamas or preg omegas or Stella mamas. That yellow one that's like there's a white and the cream pill and the gel one. That gel one, the aftertaste of fish. That's what the matcha from Woolies tasted like yesterday. Definitely give it 5 out of 10. Too much sugar. I should have given it 4 out of 10. The aftertaste, I had to finish it because it's my money, I have to finish it. But otherwise, I'll go back for the Vida E Cafe in Fourways Mall. I'll check if they have around the other centers around here. I'll check. I also, hey, there's rockets up there. It's actually near. I can even walk. There's rockets there. Yo, I've got a lot of things to do, but I'm just in my late, one thing at a time. I'm just chilled, one thing at a time. I want to finish what I've started and then explore. So yeah, I feel like this December is gonna pass like in a week. It will finish. So be responsible with the money you hear from me. Let me edit, guys. Let me drop from this phone to this phone.
I can be your woman, 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 woman. Let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be your woman. Let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be your woman, 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 woman. Let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be your woman, 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 woman. What you need, she gives and will come back up and you'll see. She can go right from home, family. Go by love and all the love and appreciate it. You see, you can reciprocate. I got delicious taste. You need a woman's touching your place. Just protect her and keep her safe. Baby, worship my hips and waist. So feminine with grace. I touch your soul when you hear me say, let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be your woman, 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 woman. Let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be your woman, 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 woman. Let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be your woman, 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 woman. Let me be your woman, 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 woman. I can be.
Where are we going? You don't know. You're going to do what? You're going to throw the bean. Throw the bean. Which way should we go? Should we go that way? Where I don't like really going that way, guys, because there's a. Oh, hey guys, I'm so tired. Yo, I'm very tired. It's about past 9 now, and so today was a very productive day. It was a very productive day. Something is in my eye. It was a very productive day. I did a normal house routine, and then tomorrow there's a wedding, and I'm supposed to be there because I'm invited. So I don't have a dress to wear. My hair is not done. I know I've got a glueless wig, but I don't really want to wear it tomorrow. I feel like I've been wearing it a bit lately, so I then planned the day with my mom to say, since anyway tomorrow I'm gonna go to my mom's place and then we go together to the wedding venue. So initially the plan was for me to sleep there today, and tomorrow things become easier. I go and leave Luna with my sister-in-law, with my husband's wife, where the twins will be in Midrand, because they've got a nanny there, so it will be easy for me to leave Luna there. They play together the day during the day, and then when we come back we fetch her. But I sent my husband to go buy me the glueless to go buy me a wig. I sent my husband to go buy me a glue so that I can install my own hair. Sana, he didn't take me serious. He came here with no wig, and he came around 7. He's supposed to go drop us at my mom's place. So I was like, nah, it's already late. Then it's like, it's fine, we can go to 4 Ways Mall. We go get the glue and you do your hair. Then tomorrow I'll take you to your mom's, and then tomorrow he takes me home. Yeah, and then from there we go to the wedding. So that's the thing. So I want to show you. We then went to 4 Ways Mall. We got I was looking for the glue. I saw it was the Sen Hair glue. It was on special. It was on 60 rand. It was going for 60 rand, from 100 rand something to 60 rand. Unfortunately, 4 Ways Mall, they didn't have it, but online I checked, they said they have it in stock, and I got that they didn't have nothing. So we ended up opting for another option. Oh, it was dramatic today. So we went to Clicks, got there, it was not in stock, and then I went to this shop called Value Co. It's the shop I've been vlogging around. Most of my vlogs, I'm in that shop. It's like a Chinese, like a it's like a Chinatown kind of vibe, but like, I don't know if you've been to China Center in Greenstone. It's like, it's very big. It has furniture, your everything, your deco, it has everything you want. So anyway, we then bought last time I showed you guys, I was vlogging that they have cheap things. So my husband promised to buy me a blower, and he didn't end up buying it. So we saw, and he's like, I'll come and buy some other time. So I wanted to buy a blower from Safeway, Clicks, but yeah. So today it was emergency. We ended up just getting this one. We got this blower. It was going for 200. There's one that was going for 300. He said the only difference are watts. So I think that one, the watts way. So we ended up getting this one for 200. I actually didn't open it and see how it is. I don't want to lose the receipt, because Chinese things, son. I don't want to lose the receipt, but yeah, this is the blower. Because I don't have a blower. I used to have a blower, and I threw it away because it broke, so it didn't have that mouth. But does this one have? Hey. Yeah, it will be useless if it doesn't have that sharp. Ha! It looks like it doesn't have sun. Yo, we'll take it back. Oh yeah, it does have. Okay. So yeah, there it is. You're gonna have to be very careful. It's very lightweight. It's very, very lightweight. So the one I had, it didn't have, it had this and then it broke one side, so it was no longer working. The other time then it broke and then it opened into half, so every time it would spark. So I'll tell you, it's very lightweight, very lightweight. I hope it does the things. But yeah, for 200 it's not a problem, even if it stops working maybe. But yeah, for now I need it to work. So I got this for 200, and then I need to put it away far from Luna. And then her dad also bought her these ones. They're for her hair, a bit neat. We're gonna start taking her to a salon now to do the hair. What's this? Then I got this cheek blush. This was going for 29 rand, so this was 30 rand. This, so that shop has everything. It's only that I was in a hurry and we got it closes around 8 and you left here around 7:10, so you could imagine. And then I've been watching tutorials for makeup tutorials. This is a contour highlighter palette contouring. I got this was going for, if not 40 rand. That shop has everything. And then he got this. I'm laughing because we had it and when I opened it. Yeah. And then he also got these for Luna. I don't know how much these were, so that's why I'm not saying the price because I don't know, but I have the receipt. Then finally we went back to Clicks again. These were 100 rand for 3. These Comforts fabric conditioners. Imagine 100 rand for 3. So yeah. And this is another. This is my favorite. Apparently my favorite was the other one, the first white one. This smells nice. We bought this one because Luna uses Comfort and we use Stay Soft. So we decided to the whole house just to use Comfort, and I love this so far. Then there was almost did not buy what I went there for because they were out of stock. The Glamour spray, I thought it would be 70 rand. It's expensive, 100 and something. The bigger one, the spray. Oh yeah. Also these ones. And she cried for a sweet. Sana, she will embarrass you. And this is the receipt. Anyway, I ended up buying this for 120. Things are expensive. This was 120 rands. I actually wanted to get another one that was very cheap. It was just a glue. I don't know what brand it was. In Clicks. It was going for 80 rand. And my husband was like, just take this one that has got a remover for glue. It's very considerate. Otherwise, Minasana. I'm not a budget person. If you know me, I spend money. I've been thinking of buying a headband in Gucci. I can spend money. Like, I don't mind spending money. I'm actually that thing. I've been asking me, please buy me the headband in Gucci. By the time it was going for 3K, now it's going for 5K. So I think it's in my mind. I might actually get it in January. So yeah. Oh yeah, this is a lighter. as well. Yo, let me go install my hair. So this is the receipt from Value. And this one is for, these ones are from Clicks, 2 from Clicks, and this one is for Value Co. So I need to keep this receipt. Everything in Value Co was 384. No, 348. Yeah, that's the price. 348. My nails are due for maintenance, but they're almost a month, so yeah, I keep them for a month. There's a, yeah, that was the price total. Yeah, then for Click Scheme, I bundle sana. You cool mama points, we saved total saving 68 rands. And then hey guys, let me go install my hair. Let me go try to turn on this hair dryer. I'm gonna keep the receipt of this. Yeah, I'll see you.